सो जाएगा। कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग आज?
He just came maybe.
Maybe he wants to say bye.
चलो हम लोगों को दिखाएंगे। हाय जमीन।
अकेला ना? और कोई नहीं ना? एक मिनट।
आपके लिए यहाँ पे इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
KFC में खा रहा है अकेले।
We get this in Nepal, that's it.
No, snail paskipit girise.
No, it comes. Yes. अच्छा चीज है ना?
Yes.
This is actually Umio River. I think it is Umio River. This is replica model of that river. We have this sensor which measures the gap, air gap. Through that we can know the water level of this river. This data is related to this. We are connected through wire to the station. There is a data log after. This information is stored here. The level of the water is stored here. Similarly, this is a rain gauge, automatic rain gauge. So whenever there is rainfall happens, it will measure automatically. Store in the data logger, which will be transmitted via GPRS. We have a SIM card here, GSM, GPRS, and satellite.
These are the different kinds of almost at the same time. They are our students. They are students from Navy. Navy.
I am Ashish Bhardwaj and from Delhi headquarters. Develop new pedagogical ways.
So this is called electromagnetic power generator. So if your electric field is there, then magnetic field, there's an induction, induces the current potential. So this is how you are in the cycle, there's a dynamo will be there earlier. even in the motorbikes also there is dynamo. They work based on this principle. Such easy science concept can be explained by using such kind of educational kits, which is prepared by our NCRT. There are so many kits are there. Mathematics, science kit, upper primary, higher secondary, lower secondary. All those are available that can be purchased by the school teacher. Usually now it is given for the high school, the government school. Later that can be applicable for all, even the school, private school, individual also can purchase. Okay, this is how.
Aeroponic system. This is the one. This is the new technology produce most
Like vertical farming, right? I mean, in that sense, vertical farming.
artificial, but this one it is like a poly house for me. No, this is poly house. This is kind of box.
Oh, this is the variety of aloo, na?
This
Potato muffin.
Potato porridge.
Potato semolina. So many varieties of potato, no?
Plateless pen. So in our home we have traditional pens with rotating parts, due to which there are various losses, friction and windage losses are there. So these losses can be minimized, means we can overcome this problem by this model, that is a plateless pen. So there is no rotating part, so we can increase the efficiency as there is no friction and windage losses present. And this one is the advanced model of that one. So here we present an impeller inside this. So when it rotates, it sucks the surrounded air and circulates the air through this cooling tube, and we will get the cool air thrusted forward. So one thing is that this is not completely a bladeless pen. Okay, there is a rotating part. So to overcome that problem, we have designed this one. Means there is not a single part present, rotating part present in this model, but we will get air. We will get motion of air.
More like humidifier.
Yeah.
Humidifier that is there. Like, I mean, there are humidifiers.
Which class you people are? आप लोग students हैं?
Yes.
Water body, you know, like plants. If you look in using pineapple leaf, this is also pineapple leaf.
Pineapple leaf and
You can make many things. You can make many things from clothes.
I think this is a shop.
This is in the hair wash enzyme.
Everyone is enjoying KFC. Thank you to our principal ma'am. Bye.
Ini pada kibam
चलो मैं चलती हूँ अपने भाइयों को लेके।
सबसे पुराना वाला मिलेगा।
When there is leg amputation, the stump area would go here, and this will act like the knee socket.
This is my name, I've shared this video,
तो इसको डिटेक्ट करने तो किसको देखना है? Culture, epical thing.
These are all the different varieties of potatoes growing in Shillong. Each variety has their own function. Okay, like chips ona we use only to make chips. So in Shillong we grow potato 3 times a year. And previously we used to supply other states with potato. But now what happened is our farm helping unemployed youth to get employment. So you come to our office, we give you free training. This is our address of the office, Experimental Research Station. Okay, so you come over there, you get free hands-on training. So this plant we bring from Shimla at the rate of 10,000 rupees per plant. Why? Because it has very good production. If I plant this, I'll get 40 tubers. So we are interested in a number of tubers. So that's why I bring it from Shimla and I multiply it like this in the lab. So this plant will be multiplied like this. This will grow. Again, I'll cut for so many cycles. I can multiply it like this. Okay. So from the lab, after the lab, we also multiply it in the net house level using this technology ARC. Okay. So this ARC is apical. Apical means the top portion. So 1, 2, 3. On the third node we cut and we plant, and another plant comes up. So this plant after 15 days again I can cut. So from one plant I can get 12 plus minus cuttings depending on the vigor of the plant. Okay. So why we are using these two technologies? Because this generation doesn't change. Suppose you are one generation, your child is second generation, right? But this one I have made so many multiplications, but the generation remains the same. So what is the go? It's 10,000 rupees plant. Now I can give you at the rate of 1 rupee. So that's how I'm using technology to help the farmers get good quality seed.
My goodness, this is so
जाकिरुल किसके लिए? टीचर वाइफ के लिए। जाकिरुल पर हो
जाए?
क्या
किसके लिए ले रहे हो जाकिरू?
फ्यूचर वाई
ओ
तुम्हारे लिए नेकलेस है।
Chana sila happening na. Adigi kayo na. Suba athama je sila happening na.
बैलून को इतना पैसा तो नहीं चाहिए ना नेल के ऊपर रखने से, बड़ा पैसा देने से फूट जाते हैं, बट ये जो फ्लैट हो गया ये भी नहीं फूटता है, देखो क्योंकि इसका पैसा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है सभी नेल्स को।
और क्या क्या
ये पेंसिल की
अच्छा हाँ मैंने देखा था ये गिर भी नहीं रहा वेस्ट वाट मस्त है तो मस्त बनाया
ये एक 3 है ना साबुन
No more pieces like that. Different one. It's like a blow, so the heat will go. Just to warm things up.
west side, west side.
Chinipan.
Huh?
Chinipan.
This is kind of a small. Check here. You want king chili?
No. King chili is enough.
So we have ointment also, we have soap also, meat. Okay. Bye.
इसे खरीद
But they are natural radiation. There is something beyond which it can affect the body. So those who are really involved with high concentration with
Mongolian, Chandrayaan. Mongolian, Mongolian, Chandrayaan.
Small body surrounded by land.